Hi y'all, welcome to another video of Miss T Ideas. I just left the video, my video didn't record, but I see it's recording now. So let's see how this works, if I can do it over. This is some Manila photo journals that I've been making. I seen it on Lene Crafts show. Let's see if I can get this loose. This is a little tie I put on it because I just made these and I didn't have. I'm lucky to have what I had to make them with because I wasn't prepared. I was stopping the TV, turning it back on, stopping it. Okay, while I was making it. Okay, I used pretty papers that I got from Lynn, a paper piece, and put paper right there, and here. This is the pages to your journal, and I just happen to have these already because y'all know I'll be playing with these papers, these bags. I just happen to have this already, and I just put. I'm gonna use that. What I did was I sewed across it. That's the spine. This is the spine. I put a pocket there, and that was my choice to put up all these pockets. Okay, the inside pockets. That's how I copied it from Lene, but it was my choice to add the rest of them pockets. So this in here, I love this color. Okay, this is this. This Manila folder, this is what I made these with. And these are called Manila journals. Manila journals. And I was talking to, when I thought the video was recording, I went all over this. This is here. This Manila envelope. Fold it in half. This is brand new to me, hot off the press. And get this straight. And then you take this here and you cut up the side of it. I already did that on my video when I thought I was videoing a few minutes ago. You cut up the side of it. And then this here is open. But you see, I closed it because I did it in my video. Okay, I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna just show this, okay? I'd already done it, that's why it's already done. Okay. I'm low energy today, y'all. So this here, this is the opening. This is the opening. So I'm gonna tell you about the writing I got on it in just a minute. Okay. This was open, okay? When this was open, before I glued it, let me open it. Let me open it. I had already opened it, the side. What I done is I cut it up the side. And then this part that's folded, you cut it, the first layer, like this. This here gonna make a pocket, okay? So this side is glued, that is glued, this is a pocket. So, this is what I thought about. Let me see, did I take this loose? Did I take it loose? Might as well take it loose. No. Well, I'm gonna take it loose, I wanna show you. I ain't gonna take it loose good, I'm gonna take it loose, because this is going in the trash. Because I've already done this. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Now, hey, I just cut it any kind of way. It's my second time doing this. The first time was better, but it wasn't recording. Okay, while it's like this, okay, don't worry about this, okay? While it's like this, you can, now I didn't learn how to do it like this. This is the way I think it's faster. You have your papers already cut up. This is a 6-inch paper, 6x6. And you could have your papers cut, especially if you want to demonstrate it on a channel, show somebody, okay? You can put your paper there, okay? You're gonna have an inside here as a lining, because this is it's gonna be a pocket. This is glued down, and you're gonna put pocket on, thing on there, lip on there. Okay, so I was just trying to show you another way. I didn't do the first two like that. I just flipped. First two look like a trapeze. Flip this way, flip it this way, flip, 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 flip. As you flip in the paper, you get weaker. Anyway, this is the inside flap. You decide what color you want it. This is the inner inside. See, it's going like this. And I thought it would be easier to mark what's going on, and that would make it easier inside. That would make it easier because these journals here you usually use more than one color. You figure out the color you're gonna use. Okay, there you go. There. This here is gonna be glued down. I just took it loose for the video, and this is glued here. This is a pocket. So what I'm saying is you can cover your pages before or after you do all kind of stuff to it. And these envelopes here, I said it on my the video that wasn't recording. These envelopes here is not all the same size. These envelopes here, you know, these are mass made somewhere. These here, to me, is always a little offset. Like in this corner right here, you're gonna see. But it's hard to see it. You can't see it while you're making it. So, okay. Y'all know I've been playing with these. I'll show you this. I've been playing with these, trying to make some little roses out of some of these bags of this. I have a whole lot of this. So I want to make a vase in my glue book. And this is just sitting on top of this. I made this too. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I made this too. I might put this on top of a journal though, make it big. Okay. These here would be my little roses. I tried the hot glue, I tried wet glue, and I was thinking maybe I need some wax because it's a little tedious to hold glue and kind of roll this up. But I used a teaspoon. I put it in a teaspoon, and I had some chopsticks, and I kind of around in that teaspoon because it was a little teaspoon, you know, for the size of it. So this here is trial and error. All this here is trial and error. Okay, but this is my video. I didn't say welcome you in. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're still here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, welcome back. I'm a little thrown off because I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I'd already done this. I'd already done the demonstration and I said goodbye. So that's it, y'all. Please stop and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. I like my channel. It helps the algorithm. And I'm going to say good night, Miss T Ideas. I'll see you next time on another video. Bye.